Welcome to Highly Relevant Trivia. This episode's topic is White House legal convictions of 2025. Test your knowledge of current events and topics, and also learn new stuff. 15 questions, plus a bonus, subjective question at the end. What happened to Donald Trump's sentencing in the New York business records case as he prepared to assume the presidency in 2025? Correct answer. The judge paused the proceedings indefinitely to avoid constitutional conflicts. Special counsel Jack Smith dropped the federal election subversion case against Donald Trump ahead of his 2025 inauguration due to what long-standing DOJ policy? Correct answer. A sitting president cannot face federal criminal prosecution. President Joe Biden's highly controversial late 2024 pardon of his son Hunter, which dominated early 2025 headlines, covered offenses committed during what time frame? Correct answer. January 1, 2014 through December 1, 2024. On his first day in office in 2025, President Trump began fulfilling a campaign promise by issuing pardons primarily to individuals involved in what event? Correct answer. The January 6th Capitol riot. How did the Georgia Court of Appeals handle the Fulton County election interference case against President Trump in early 2025? Correct answer. It paused the case against him for the duration of his presidency. Before taking office in 2025, Donald Trump explicitly stated he would take what action regarding special counsel Jack Smith? Correct answer. Fire him within 2 seconds. In early 2025, a major constitutional debate emerged when the White House demanded the Senate step aside to allow what type of appointments? Correct answer. Recess appointments. Which controversial executive action signed by President Trump in 2025 faced immediate federal lawsuits claiming it violated the 14th Amendment? Correct answer. Ending birthright citizenship for children of undocumented immigrants. In 2025, the White House faced intense legal battles from federal employee unions over Schedule F, a classification that allows the president to do what? Correct answer. Reclassify and easily fire tens of thousands of civil servants. The White House's 2025 proposal to use the U.S. military to assist with mass deportations sparked legal challenges centered on which 19th century law? Correct answer. The Posse Comitatus Act. What legal argument did Judge Aileen Cannon use to dismiss the classified documents case against Donald Trump, an issue still debated in early 2025? Correct answer. The special counsel's appointment violated the Appointments Clause. Which former Trump lawyer was legally ordered to turn over his luxury assets, including a Mercedes, to two Georgia election workers in early 2025? Correct answer, Rudy Giuliani. The creation of the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, in 2025 raised legal questions regarding its authority to bypass what federal law governing advisory groups? Correct answer. The Federal Advisory Committee Act, FACA. What was the status of the nearly $500 million judgment against Donald Trump in the New York civil fraud case as he entered the White House in 2025? Correct answer. It was actively under appeal in the New York court system. Legal rights groups immediately sued the White House in early 2025 after the administration moved to reinstate a military ban targeting which group? Correct answer, transgender individuals. How did you do? Learn anything new? If so, better do this action. Correct answer, like, share, and subscribe. And now, the subjective question. What might help with government transparency and accountability? Ideas? Leave in the comment section down below. Correct answer. Thanks for watching.